everyone present here today. We hope that you all are happy, healthy, and safe at your home. I am Princey.
And I'm Satvik. Today, on the occasion of the World Nutrition Week, Integrated Health and Wellbeing Council has initiated a mega movement, Bharat Nutrition Week. As a part of this mega movement, we welcome you all to India's biggest virtual quiz on nutrition, the Bharat Poshan Premier Quiz.
This will be a test of our next gen, the test of food practices, test of habits, and a test of knowledge of nutrition.
So, the quiz will take place through 6 days. Each day has a theme of its own. There are 6 teams with 12 students in each team. Here are our most awaited teams. Three students from each team will get to play on one day. So a total of 18 students will be participating in the quiz on any particular day. The students will keep on shuffling so that all get to play the game. The teams that score the highest in the first 4 days get to go to the semi-finale on the 5th September. And the top 2 teams will compete in the grand finale on 6th September.
There will be 5 rounds every day. Each team will be asked one question per round. The rounds can also change according to which team we are playing by. 10 points for a correct answer and no negative marking. The time limit for answering a question will depend on the round, and we will let you know if there is a time foundation at all. Each team will be asked 5 total questions in a day or less. We will also inform that to you depending on the theme that we are playing for. Our team will keep the time scored and also monitor the quiz. Satvik here will be playing the slides for us for the quiz. That was for the participants, Satvik, but do we have something for the audience?
Okay, so after every round, we will throw a question to our audience, and one lucky audience member with the correct answer will get a reward.
Oh my God,
Yes.
That is exciting. I can barely wait to start. So what are we waiting for?
Let's begin the Bharat Poshan Premier Quiz 2020. Kyunki
Khane mein hai dum.
This is the day 1, and the theme for today is
Calcium. Great. Round 1. So let's begin with the first team. And the first team is Calcium Warriors. What does calcium do for your body? A. Builds strong bones. B. Protects immune system. Or C. Both.
C.
the answer is
A.
A. The DC champions, here's your question. Which of the following works with calcium to build strong bones? A. Vitamin D. B. Vitamin C. C. Phosphorus. Or D. Iron.
Yes, sir. Vitamin D.
The answer to the question is
A.
Yes,
You
you
guys
are
are
correct.
right.
Yes.
Senior fighters, the next question is for you.
which one of the following mineral elements is required for muscle contraction? A. Iron. B. Sodium. C. Calcium. Or D. Zinc.
And we go with C.
All right. So
Great.
the answer to the question is yes, you
C.
are correct. And our next team is.
Immunity boosters.
The question is.
Bone mass and skeleton becomes weaker as you age. A. Is it true? Or B. Is it false?
I think it's true.
That's
Yeah,
correct.
correct.
Next team is Protein Kings.
The strength of your adult bones mostly depend on how much calcium you have consumed before the age of 18. A. Is it true? Or B. Is it false?
A. True.
Lock kar diya jaye, Princey. And the answer is indeed A. Congratulations. Health Crusaders. Calcium is found in which one of these foods? A. Broccoli. B. Almonds. C. Dairy products. D. Sardines. Or E. All of the above.
I think that's all of the above.
Answer to the question is E. Yes. it is.
Absolutely correct. So let's begin the second round, Satvik.
Okay. So
Calcium Warriors, you need to buckle up.
yes. The
Next.
first question for the second round for Calcium Warriors. So the question for Calcium Warriors, the first question for round 2 is, if you don't get enough calcium in your diet, your body will take the calcium it needs from your bones. A. Is it true? Or B. Is it false?
Diksha, it's true.
It is.
You're
Yes.
absolutely right, Calcium Warriors. The body will take calcium from the bones if it's not given enough calcium from the outside via your food.
All right. The next team is DC Champions. Calcium does which of these things in your body? A. Develops strong bones and teeth and keeps them healthy. B. Helps you keep a normal heart rhythm. C. helps your muscles work. D, sends nerve impulses. E, helps your blood clot. Or F, all of the above.
Yes, yes. Ma'am, we'll go with option
Go
F.
with all. F.
And the answer to the question is F.
Right,
Yes.
absolutely correct.
Next team is anemia fighters. Calcium is important only for an adult women. A, is it true? Or B, is it false?
We'll go with B.
You're going with B?
Yes.
All right.
Okay, let's see the answer.
Yes,
You're
the answer
absolutely
is-
correct. Calcium is important for everybody. Males, females, children, elder people, everybody.
All right. So the next team would be
Immunity boosters.
immunity boosters. Your question is coming right up. Everyone needs the same amount of calcium. A, is it true? Or B, is it false?
It is false.
B, indeed you are correct.
So our body needs different amounts of calcium at different ages. It also needs different amount of calcium depending on gender. It can also need different amount of calcium depending on various other factors.
And the next team is
Protein kings.
protein king.
Bone density usually is at its highest when you are A, 18 years old, B, 25 years old, C, 30 years old, D, between 30 and 35 years old.
D.
D.
Is
Between
locked.
30 and 35 years old.
The correct answer is B. The correct answer is B.
Actually, the bone density is highest when you're between 25 to 30 years of age.
Next question is for Health Crusaders. And Health Crusaders, your question is
All of the following are high in calcium except
Poached egg. 110% sure.
the answer was correct. Poached eggs do have the
Oh,
lowest
yes,
amount
yes.
of calcium. The next question for calcium warriors again.
dash are especially at risk for osteoporosis. A, men, B, women, or C, children.
I think it's B, women. Because
So what do you say?
women generally have a high risk of osteoporosis.
And the answer to the question is yes,
You're
correct.
absolutely correct.
DC champions, you ready for the question?
Yes.
All
Okay.
right. The question for DC champions is
Which gives you the most calcium? A, low-fat milk, B, yogurt, or C, cottage cheese?
Ma'am, we'll go with B.
answer to the question is B. Yes, correct.
Yogurt has the highest amount of calcium out of these.
All right. The next team is anemia fighters. You lose calcium every day. A, is it true? Or B, is it false?
We'll go with A.
All right. So the answer
Let's
is yes.
The answer is A. We lose calcium every day through our nails, our skin, sweat, hair. And if we don't get enough calcium from the outside, we will be at the loss for it.
The next team is
Immunity boosters.
Immunity boosters has a question. The daily requirement of calcium is A, 1000 to 2500 mgs, B, 1000 to 2500 grams, C, 100 to 250 milligrams, or D, 100 to 250 grams.
I think we should go for A.
The answer is correct.
Yes.
The answer is 1000 to 2500 mg. We need that much amount of calcium.
All right. Next question for the next team.
Protein kings.
Here's the question.
Protein kings deficiency of calcium leads to A, short height, B, low bone mass, C, fractures, D, all of the above. Guys, so what do you want to lock upon?
Low bone mass.
Okay, so
Okay.
the answer to the question is D.
It's
The answer,
actually D.
the answer to the question is all
all
of the above.
above. We will move on to the next question to the health crusaders. Cutting down on calcium in your diet prevents kidney stones. A, is it
False.
true? B,
False.
is it B?
False. False.
Let's see the
Oh.
answer, Satvik. You're
Answer is B,
absolutely
yes.
correct. I think we're done with the third round for today.
Yes.
So the first question for the fourth round for calcium warriors. A baby in the womb takes calcium away from its mom. A, is it true? B, is it false?
It is true.
See the
Answer is-
answer? It's absolutely
Yes.
correct. You're correct. Move.
All right. So the next question is for DC champions. DC champions, here's your question coming up. You can get calcium from vegetables. A, is it true? Or B, is it false?
Had one question.
We had a
With
question.
example,
Leafy
yes.
vegetables. Yes, yes,
Ah.
yes.
Answer to the question is A. Is
You're
true.
correct.
Yes.
We do get a lot of calcium from vegetables.
The question for anemia fighters is
Who needs the most calcium? A, children age 4 to 8. B, children and teens ages 9 to 18. C. Adults older than 50.
Yes, ma'am. We'll go with B.
B.
Option B.
The answer to the question is B.
Absolutely correct. The children between the age of 9 to 18 need the most amount of calcium for good rapid development.
Immunity boosters, here's your next question. You
Yes.
absorb more if you take big doses of supplements. A, is it true? Or B, is it false?
False.
Yes, I also think that it is false.
The answer
You
is
guys
B.
are
yes.
absolutely correct. Calcium is actually absorbed better when it is taken in small doses, which is less than 500 mg. The next question is for Protein Kings.
Pregnancy and lactation is known to A, decrease calcium requirements, B, result in bone mineral loss from the skeleton, C, decrease the rate of dietary calcium absorption, or D, affect bone mineral content later in life.
Can
Okay.
lock C.
All right. We'll lock and see right now.
With C.
It is D. The answer is it affects.
Pregnancy and lactation actually affect bone mineral content later in life.
Next question is for Health Crusaders.
If blood calcium levels are low, which of the following may occur as a result? A. Numbness or tingling in hands and feet. B. Bone resorption. C. Muscle cramps. D. All of the answers are correct.
A और C शायद होता है.
हाँ तो फिर D कर लेते हैं ना.
हाँ. D.
The answer is D.
Absolutely
Yes.
correct. It leads to all of the above. If calcium levels are low in your blood, it will cause numbness, tingling in your hands and feet. There will be bone resorption. Muscle cramps will be there. So
All
great.
right.
You get 10 points.
So is that the end of the fourth round, I guess?
Akriti, can we now know the score for this?
End of the fourth
I'm
round?
sure, Princey. So, DC champions, anemia fighters, immunity booster, health crusaders are at 40, right? Calcium warriors at 30, protein kings still at 10.
Thank you so much for attending the quiz today. We will see you tomorrow with our next theme, which is vitamin C and vitamin D.